Hi everyone, good morning. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with an unboxing. This unboxing is from, I'll tell you, Zant Sweet Inspiration. And she is another YouTube sister here. Her name is ZANTHANIE Russell. Hi, Miss Russell. And I'm coming to show you all what I got from her. I had ordered a junk journal. This is my package. I ordered a junk journal from her a while ago, and I moved. And when I moved, when I put in my change of address, when I ordered it, and it wound up, anyway, to make a long story short, it went to my old address. The people at the house, thank God, sent it back to the post office. And then the post office sent it back to Miss Russell. So I just got it. As a matter of fact, I got it on Thursday. So I'm doing this video to show you all what I got. Also, if you ladies and gentlemen missed Jewelry Talk Live last night, make sure you be there next Friday because we're going to discuss a couple of other things concerning jewelry. These earrings, I got so many compliments off of. Thank you, ladies, so much. But these earrings are from Jeanette, and I'm going to put her description box down in my comment section. Well, not in my comment section. Y'all know where it's going to be. And it's from DOY Creation 7, Miss Jeanette. She made these earrings. These are awesome, y'all. Go grab your pair. So we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. So, I got my package. And it's inside of 2 bags. So it was inside of one, and I'm taking it out of the other one. It's my package. Here's something. Okay. So, y'all, I got a card. That's my card. My goodies. And this was a junk journal that I ordered from her. Miss Russell, she's gifted. And she does really great work, you know. So when I saw this junk journal, she had one in her store that I wanted to get, but of course, like I always say, if you sleep, you miss out. And so then she had this Bible journal that she was doing. It's like an inspirational. It's not a Bible, but it's a junk journal. But the theme she was using, like, it's awesome, y'all. So I want y'all to see what I have, because this is beautiful. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Peace, rejoice, Jesus, Lord. This is just awesome. Like, awesome. I'm going to leave her information down in the comment section as well. So let me open up and see. I think, and y'all know what? I messed around last night after I did my live and cut my finger open. I'm always doing something. And, oh, this is really nice. But this journal, y'all, is gorgeous. This is, this is a pen. Oh, these are page flags. Wow, that's neat. These are, like, when I go through each page, I can tag it. So that is awesome. But let me open up this card. Because this card says, card says thanks. And yes, Miss Russell, I will get a lot of use out of it. This is going to be one of my, this is personal. Like, this is something that's really, really personal. I'm going to open up the pages, but look at this. This is just, I can't even put it into words, y'all. And I'm going to keep this right here because I just feel like this is just a part of it. This is going to be a part of it. I'm going to keep this, and each page, y'all, like, this is, look, I'm going to hold it up. And I know you can't really see what's on there, but I just want y'all to see the details of her work that she did on each page. Like, this is, am I doing it the right way? Yeah. God is love. Yes, he is. Where God guides, he provides. Yes, that is so true, y'all. Y'all, we got to keep our Heavenly Father first. I do want to thank and I appreciate everybody. As it was some people that came to my live that I wasn't even expecting. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I greatly appreciate it. But she did an awesome, awesome job. Yeah. Delight thyself also in the Lord, and he shall give the desires of thine heart. And that's Psalms 31:4. This is awesome. Like, each page, y'all. Like, these are, I made a video the other day about us supporting each other. You know, that is something that we really need to do, and is support each other small businesses. Like, you know, we support each other by watching our pages and watching our channels. Yeah, that's fine. But also we need support, you know, because it's a lot of us that's trying to make it, you know, trying to have a business, and it's room for all of us. It's room for every last one of us, y'all. So go over and check Miss Russell at ZANTHANIE Russell out. I'm gonna leave her link in the description box so you all can go over. But this is for me. I'm not trying to be stingy with it, y'all, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, this is really, really, really beautiful. And the thing that I like that she does is she takes her time. And these aren't easy to put together because, you know, this it's not easy to put this together. This take time. You gotta think it through. And then it's like you pull everything together and then you put it together. So this is absolutely awesome. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Miss Anthony, Miss Russell. That's cute. I don't even know where she got that from. I ain't never seen that before. It's a little cross. But yeah, this is really nice, y'all. And absolutely gorgeous. Yep, so this is my junk journal. So I would like to thank everyone for tuning in for this unboxing. Miss Anthony, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for showing up to my live, sis. I was not expecting you. It was a couple people that I wasn't expecting yesterday, but I want to thank you. And I want you to know that to keep doing what you're doing, because God is going to make a way. He's going to make a way when you keep believing, you being consistent in your crafts and in your gifts. He will open up that door. You know, everything that we do, y'all, it takes time. It takes time. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in for this unboxing this morning. I greatly appreciate it. And you all have a wonderful and awesome weekend. And I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, back here on DIY Monday. Peace and blessings. See ya.